If the idea of making $75,534 per month in hands-free profit sounds impossible to you, then you need to watch this video. Because not only will I prove it's possible, I'll show you how to do it too. Believe me, I was skeptical, but my opinion changed fast. Hi, my name is Paul Ring and I publish a weekly financial newsletter here in Australia. This newsletter teaches my clients how to profit more from trading binary options. As editor and publisher, my job is to keep subscribers informed on the latest and greatest trading information. Well, I recently heard about a bloke here in Australia named Nick Knowles. I've heard that he was making a fortune trading Australian currencies. We're talking 6 figures a month and over $1 million a year. When I learned about this super trader from down under, I knew I had to interview him for my trading newsletter. So I met up with him one morning while the markets were still open, and we soon got talking about trading. Nick said that he spent years working on the Australian Securities Exchange for one of the world's leading financial banks. He also said that he'd worked at other financial exchanges around the world, London, New York and Tokyo. But it was the Australian market that brought him back home and soon into major wealth. He said it was here that he was able to figure out a way to consistently profit trading the Australian currencies. He said he'd managed to uncover a loophole in the Australian dollar that he'd never found, and with other currencies on any other exchange. Nick went on to say that he was able to literally tap into the market and exploit this loophole without anyone noticing. In fact, he said with his insider knowledge on the Australian dollar, he was able to make steady, consistent and reliable profit trading Australian currencies. He said it was exactly like going into a casino where the dealer tips his hand to you before you make your bet. Just imagine how much money you'd make if you knew the hand of your dealer before you placed the bet. Well, that's exactly what he did. With the inside knowledge he had, he consistently siphoned cash out of the Australian market and put it into his bank account, day by day. So that he wouldn't draw too much attention to himself, he started taking $250 to $450 a day. He thought that if he took more, he might get noticed. Now, that may not sound much, but even if you take out $300 a day, that's $6,000 a month. Once he realized he could get away with it, he wanted something he could use to profitably trade for him while he was working at the bank. So he hired one of the world's best programmers to create an automated program that would fully and automatically capitalize on this loophole. Nick went on to say his programmer created the automatic OzRobot using clear trend trading technology, which was a technology created just for this bot. With this technology, he didn't have to spend hours watching and time the market. OzRobot goes in and trades for you in real time. And since he factored in a lot of different trading algorithms and indicators, as well as using past chart patterns to help him with profitability and accuracy, he automatically got the best trading opportunities at his fingertips. Nick said that he spent a fortune creating this cutting-edge technology that could reliably predict the movement of certain Australian currencies, so he could get in and out at the right time and price. Clear trend trading technology can go out and identify profitable trading opportunities based solely on this unknown loophole he had discovered on the Australian market. He said that OzRobot can analyze the market 24/7 and can help any trader win more trades and make more money. Better yet, you don't have to spend hours analyzing the market or worry about difficult trading decisions. No spending hours searching for profitable trade because OzRobot leverages breakthrough automated technology to find the most profitable trades for you. You sign up, log in, and let OzRobot find the best trades that rake in the most profits possible. That way, you can trade with the reliability and dependability that gives you unfair profits. Thanks to the fully automated trading system, Nick said that OzRobot is Australia's first hands-free trading robot that's tested and proven to extract regular profits by winning trades with surgical precision. That's why it's so easy for anyone, experienced trader or not, to make money with this, because the robot quickly identifies the best trading opportunities so you make the most profitable trades 100% done for you. Nick said this bot had an edge over all others because it focused solely on the Australian dollar currency. Because it's the market that Nick had worked on for so long, he knew exactly how to profit trading on the Australian dollar. He was able to find this little-known loophole that he profitably started exploiting to the tune of $250 to $450 per month. Within a year, he was up to $75,403 per month. Nick said that he'd uncovered this loophole and got so good at exploiting it, he was using it to quietly amass a fortune, bringing in 6 figures every month on autopilot. Now, I must have seemed skeptical to Nick, because he brought me over to his desk where several computers were. He told me that I could start trading at the same level as him and set up a trading account in 10 minutes. He had me sit down at his desk, create an account, and log on to use OzRobot. He had me start with $250 to try the trading robot for myself. Within 24 hours, my $250 brought in $1,432. That's 900% gain on my money in just one day. He had me do it again. This time I made another $3,568 in the next 36 hours. What an amazing trading opportunity this guy had developed. An incredibly easy way to make thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in your spare time without leaving home. Nick told me he had already used it to make over $3.2 million in trading with it. He said OzRobot was pretty much responsible for his becoming a millionaire. He said that everything he has, he owes to trading binary options and using his secret trading weapon OzRobot to exploit this loophole in the Australian dollar. Looking around, he definitely made it. His mansion of a home was worth millions. He had luxury cars in his garage. He told me he owned a yacht, vacation properties all over the world, a private jet, and more money than he could spend. I'm so glad I interviewed Nick because I'd never seen such an amazing trading tool return so much profit so quickly in the market. Since I started trading with OzRobot, here are my first week's results. On June 16, I made 64% or $850. On June 17, I made 116% or $950. On June 18, I made 36%, that brought in $350. On June 19, I made 89%, bringing in $1,400, and on June 20th, I made 107%, bringing me an extra $800. All of this was running on complete autopilot. That's why I guarantee this is like nothing else you've ever seen before. He said that OzRobot had a 78.3% winning ratio and that it trades on the following 7 Australian dollar related currency pairs. Australian dollar to the US dollar, British pounds to the Australian dollar, Australian dollars to the Japanese yen, euros to the Australian dollar to the Swiss franc, Australian dollar to New Zealand dollars, Australian dollar to Canadian dollars. OzRobot is set up to help you profit literally around the clock. It's 100% automated. You can be trading in 5 minutes. You hardly need to do anything at all. It produces an average win rate of 78.3%. It averages double and triple digit returns, and it crushes the returns you get from savings accounts or bank CDs. Once you sign up, fund the account, and let Clear Trend Trading work for you, it hunts down the most profitable trades for you, stuffing your bank account with more cash. Imagine going online, logging into your account, turning on a trading program, and then leaving. You come back and notice you've made $1,455 while you were out. Since you've made $1,455, a decent amount of money for the day, you log off, close up your laptop, and head to the beach for the day, or the movies, or the golf course. Either way, you've done work, and you've made more in a morning than most people make in a week. It sounds crazy, but I'll let these traders back up my claims. Jason, a police officer, made $43,797 in 1 month and quit his job. A 22-year-old college student made a 6-figure income using OzRobot. John made $17,780.04 in less than a week using this same trading software. Andy and his wife bought a beachfront home, brand new car, and go on vacations every month thanks to OzRobot. After interviewing Nick and checking out OzRobot for my trading newsletter, I called him one day and asked him if he'd ever thought about sharing his robot with other traders. Well, you can guess he was hesitant to let anyone else use it. But I mentioned how he could let others try for a limited time and then charge traders to continue using it. I mentioned that by sharing this trading tool with others, he could make a lot of money because if traders started making a lot of profit with it, they'd gladly pay him to keep using it. In other words, he realized that he would profit if other traders profited. So he agreed and decided to offer it on a limited trial basis to those who are serious about trading and wanting to profit using OzRobot. All you have to do is log in, turn it on, and let it make you money. And like I mentioned, it took some convincing, but he realized that if he made you as much money as it made him, you'd happily pay him to use it because you could pay with all the profits you're making with it. Seriously, regular people all around the world are using OzRobot to make $10,000 a month. Some traders are even making $15,000 to $25,000 a month and more using it. This trading robot can pull in money for you every day, like steel to a magnet, without all the headaches and hassles you get when trying to make money online. This trading robot will do 100% of the searching for you all day, every day. With it doing all of the work, you'll have time to live the life you want, have fun, play golf, even go on a vacation and take your laptop with you and set up OzRobot to trade while you're out sightseeing, basically paying for your vacation with the profits you make. No matter where you live, no matter how much time you have, if you can log on to the internet, you can have OzRobot working for you. And there's no limit to how much money you can make. That's up to how much money you want to trade and how much time you want to let OzRobot work for you. All you have to do is log in and set up your account, load your account with the funds, set your trade amount, turn the robot on, sit back and make money. Look, there's lots more to tell you about this amazing trading program, but it's much easier if you just sign up and take it for a test drive. I want you to see firsthand how easy it is for OzRobot to put more profit into your account. I know when you see how well it works, you'll never want to part with it. The small investment to use OzRobot simply covers the maintenance costs and continuous upgrades to the technology. Unlike other outdated bots in the market, OzRobot is continuously upgraded to make sure it's adapted for the most current market conditions. Nick has a full-time staff of programmers to manage and monitor the robot. And even though OzRobot is completely set and forget, you don't want that always. It doesn't take long for any trader to become outdated. And believe me, an outdated program is an obsolete program that won't make you money. That's why OzRobot is continuously monitored and tweaked to perform better throughout the changes in the market. In order to compete up to date, the clear trend trading technology is always being maintained, refined, and perfected to keep with current rate. But again, Nick understands that you may be skeptical, just like I was. And although you don't have the same luxury I did, which is to meet Nick in person and take OzRobot for a spin in front of him, you can still use it for 14 days free. After this free trial, it's only $197 per month to keep using OzRobot. But take it from me, someone who's seen this program in action, you'll make more than enough extra profits to cover the monthly investment fee. Considering the amount of money you can make with it, the small monthly fee for this trading system would be a bargain at $500. Again, you can try it for free for 14 days and then invest just a small $197 monthly fee to continue using OzRobot. You'll more than cover the monthly fee with the profits you'll make using it. Who wouldn't invest $197 to make $19,700 per month or more? Believe me, in just one day with it, you'll be profiting. Just one trade today for me was $690.07. And I get profits from this trading robot every month. Now you can start getting these payments every day too, from this exact same money-making robot. So sign up now and try out this money-making trading robot free without any obligation. He's not asking you to pay to try it out. If you don't find it more profitable than any trading tool you've ever used, you've not lost anything. He did say that he didn't want too many people using it because it could dilute the power of it, so he may end the free trial of it soon. Take it for a spin and see for yourself without any cost or obligation.